Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this incredible Rolex Datejust. This is the 36mm size, and I really love that they leaned into this idea that a lot of women are wearing men's watches, and they made this 36mm definitely a little bit more feminine with the amount of diamonds and the rose gold and the rose dial. I think it looks incredible on the wrist. This, like I said, has a rose dial, which is kind of the closest match I think they've ever gotten to their rose gold color, their Rolex. So I think it looks really beautiful. It's just like having a yellow gold watch, but just kind of everything's flipped over to the rose side. It has a diamond bezel and Roman numeral hour markers. I love the classic look of the Roman numerals with the 6 and 9 in pave diamonds. It looks so beautiful. It really does catch light in an incredible way, and I really like that it's on an oyster bracelet. Some people go back and forth whether they're Jubilee. It might match a little bit better, but I think that the oyster definitely makes it so you can wear it every single day. It doesn't kind of overwhelm it. So if you are looking for an incredible Rolex watch, whether in the 26, the 31, the 36, or even 41, we have tons in stock available at SwissWatchExpo.com.